Hello everyone, I'm back again for another Android tutorial. In this video I will show you how to unit test an app using Mockito. So let's get started. So first we need to import the Mockito. So go to your file, project structure, and choose dependency. Click this plus sign icon, library dependency, and search for Mockito. And then choose this or that Mockito all. Click OK. And click OK. Okay, let's change this implementation to test implementation. Let's move it here and let's sync it. After that, we can now use Mockito. So before that, this is the class that we need to test, the login presenter. As you can see here, in the login presenter constructor, we pass the login repository and the login view. And then we override the login method from the presenter, call the login repository that login, pass the login credentials, and then the login listener. And when the login is successful, we need to call the login view that on success, and if it is failed, you need to call the login view that on failed and pass the message. So let's start testing it. Here in the Java, choose this test, not this Android test, because it's for instrumentation test. Let's create a class. Let's call it login presenter test. Here in the login presenter test, first we need to set up the login presenter. So let's create a method called setup login presenter, and then let's annotate it with @before. It means that this method will be called first before the test. Okay, so we need to initialize the Mockito, not this one. Mockito annotations, initmax, and this. Okay, the next we need to initialize the login presenter inside the setup login presenter method. Pass the login repository in the login. We need to create a mock for that. So annotate that. We need to annotate it with @mock. Login repository, where is it? This one. And then the login view. Okay. Then pass the login repository in the login view. And now let's test it. Let's let's test this login method. So create a method called login, and let's annotate it with @test. Inside this login method, we need to check this one if it runs. So login presenter, login, pass the login credentials. Okay, we need to create first the login credentials. Okay. Need to pass the username and then the password. gmail.com. Password use 12345. Okay, and then you can now pass the login credentials. And next is we need to verify if this one is called. So verify, let's import this one, choose this Mockito.verify, and then login repository, login, pass the login credentials, and then the login listener. So login listener. Okay, we need to create a argument capture for that. So, argument capture, here. Okay, here need to create a argument capture for the login listener. Call it login listener argument capture. That's it. Then pass the login listener argument capture. Call the and capture. Okay, let's run it. Okay, we failed it. Says here, invalid use of argument matchers. Okay, we need to call this method, pass these login credentials inside the EQ method from the Mockito. Let's run it again. Then we pass it. Okay, so next we need to check if this method is called. Okay, we need to call the login listening argument capture, get the value, and then on success, and verify this one is called. So login view on success. Let's run it again. Okay, pass the test. So the last one is the on field method. Okay, you need to pass the message, and this message will pass it inside the on field. Okay, let's call this one again. Get the value, then on failure. Let's say invalid credentials. Then let's verify the login view on field. Okay, the PostMessage. Oh, before that, we need to create a argument captor string, because this one is string. This is string. And then argument captor, initialize it, call this one argument captor dot for plus, then string dot plus argument captor capture. Okay, and then let's check if this one, okay, wait, we need to call the assert equals. Let's import it, choose this one from JUnit, then we need to pass, oh, too many, we need to pass 2 arguments. So first, pass this one, that is the object that we expected, and then the argument captor that get value. Let's run it. Okay, compilation failed. Oh, sorry about that. Let's run it. Oh, stop. Okay, this one. Let's run the login method. And that's it. And that's how you test the app. So hope you guys like it, and if it helps you, please like and subscribe to my channel, and have a productive day.